ChatGPT. How to use ChatGPT? ChatGPT is just an artificial intelligence that was developed by OpenAI. This AI can enhance your productivity by simply giving you data that you ask for. So let me take you through how you can use this. First things first, I'm going to open my browser and I'm going to type openai.com. that is the official website of this AI. Once it opens the website, so I'm going to navigate to the products where I'm going to choose ChatGPT. There are lots of other AIs as DALL-E, but I'm going to choose ChatGPT. So once I click on ChatGPT, then I go to try on web. So the next thing I'm going to do is to log in. If you don't have an account, you can choose sign up. So of course it will give you other three options to use. So I'm going to go with my Google account and I'll give it permissions to access my account. So once it opens, it gives you some prompts for you to read through if you are new to it. So the first thing, so let me say hi to it. All the data you see on the left, that is one of the data that it has generated for me. So let me ask it any question of any choice. And that's how it operates.